Welcome to Strivar Electrocrafts demo videos. This project demonstrates automatic doorbell system for homes or offices using IR. The aim or purpose of this project is to replace the existing doorbell system with an automatic doorbell that realizes the person standing at the doorway and rings the bell automatically. Sensing the person entry is done by an IR sensor. This sensor can either be placed near the gate or at the door entrance to automate the doorbell as per your user interest. What we see here is the miniature model of the house provided with a compound wall. In this miniature, we automate the project such that doorbell rings when anybody crosses the entrance. At the entrance, we can see the IR sensor. The IR sensor basically consists of an IR LED and an IR photodiode. An IR LED continuously emits IR radiations, whereas the IR photodiode keeps listening to these radiations. If anybody enters and crosses the IR radiations, an entry is detected and the doorbell rings. Here in this project, we assume a buzzer to be equalizing a doorbell. Now let us see the working of this kit. The roof of the house is opened out. Inside the house, we find the soldered circuit with a buzzer and a red LED. Now let us switch on the power supply. We find here a red LED is glowing, indicating the input voltage. Now let us check the project output. Let us assume someone is standing at the doorway. Let us consider this as that someone. We will introduce here. Now we can hear the buzzer beep, indicating that someone is standing at your doorway. So this equalizes a doorbell. Imagine that someone has gone away. The doorbell stops. Once again, let us repeat the scenario. This IR sensor can be kept anywhere, either at the door entrance or near your gate, as per the user interest. Thus, we have demonstrated the output of the project automatic doorbell system for homes and institutions using IR. Homes, this can be implemented in homes, offices, institutions, or anywhere as per user interest. Thank you and see you. Thank you and see you with another project at Strivari Electrocrafts. Thank you, friends.